For years, the Glock has been hailed as the best pistol on the market. But I think in the last couple years, a lot of different options have come that, in my opinion, are better than a Glock. So what do you think? What are some options that are better than a Glock? This is the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. Probably compares the best to the Glock 43X. It is going to be shorter in every single way, smaller, but it has a 15 magazine as opposed to the 10 round magazine in the Glock 43. Just as reliable. What do you think?